Hello, welcome to Natural Music. Today we're going to be just doing a brief little just intro that you can attach onto any 3, 4 kind of lopey, maybe slow, maybe depends on how fast you want to play it. It can be kind of a middle range tempo song in 3/4 time, or it can be a slow song. I had a request for this, and they actually wanted it where they could attach it to the song without him, and they wanted it in the key of B flat because that's where they sing at. So I am going to go over this intro and I will attach it to without him, but I want you to also know this will work with any song you want to play in B flat that's kind of meets his tempo. So like without him, it's 1, 2, 3. That's kind of the rhythm. I'm just holding a B flat chord. So without him, I could do nothing. But this will also work if you sing in this key in B flat for like other songs like there is coming a day when no heartache shall come. That's not my key, but if you sing in that key, that song, or let me see, marvelous grace of our loving Lord. So grace greater than our sins, that also works. As you can see, it could be kind of a little low or a little high, but maybe you're playing for a female or a tenor, or a kind of more of a real low bassy sounding baritone singer, and it'll apply to that. Let's get to the intro. I'm gonna put this to without him, but it'll work on any song that you want to do 3/4 time. So the intro is going to be kind of a soulful kind of intro. I've done things like this before, but we're just going to do it in B flat. So it's going to be kind of like this. And then would go into without him, I could do nothing. Okay. So let's get into that intro. It's just kind of just a straight up, just traditional gospel, soulful type of sound. So what we're going to do is, let's go over the left hand first. We're going to go D octave or D low note if you can't hit it, but we're going to kind of hit these hard and kind of pulse it there. We're going to go D, E flat, F, and then we're going to come up, and that's kind of our bass line, and we're going to finish out kind of the measure after that. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to come up here and hit a B flat chord a couple times. And the B flat that I'm going to choose to use is F, B flat, and D. You see a regular B flat chord like that? I've just taken the F and putting it down there. Still a B flat chord. Ooh, a little better than that. 2, 3. Now it's going to, so that's kind of like a B flat with an F in the bottom, or it's not kind of, it is. So it's like you were doing this if you're just playing rhythm. So we're doing that so we can play lead up here. So 2, 3. And then we're going to go down and change to an F chord. So you can either hit an F octave here or here. I'm going to hit it here and hit that again, and then finish out the measure with an F, regular O F, F, A, and C. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we're just going to sustain a B flat. 1, 2, 3, and then sustain an F. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that'll make sense in a second. So here's the left hand by itself. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or you can hit the F here. Okay, so that's the left hand. Not too bad. We're playing bass and rhythm, Now, the right hand, we're going to start on a B flat 7 chord, flat 7, dominant is what they call that for all you theory people out there that want to get correct. So this B flat 7 chord that I'm going to play is A flat, D, and F. And I'm going to play that when I hit that D down there and just hit it kind of, this gives it that bluesy sound. Now, for those of you that want to, you can slide this D flat to D and give it kind of a more of a, so you can do that, or you can just hit it just straight up. All right, so we're gonna go B flat 7, then we're gonna go C minor, and I'm going to play it like this: G, C, and E flat, and we're going to play the E flat down there. So we're playing a C minor up here and E flat down there. All right, so we got, and then we're going to hit a B flat, obviously, when we go to a B flat over F there. So here's an F in this hand and a B flat in this hand, so F, B flat, and D. So we've got this walk, or without the slide. See how you come up here and you grab that, so 1, 2, 3, and then when you hit the third hit, or the 3 on the measure of that, so you're going to go 1, 2, then on 3 we're going to roll this chord. 1, 2, 3, so F, B flat, D, so, and then we're going to come down here, and when we hit the F in the left hand, we're going to play an F7 up here, which is E flat, A, and C. And you can add the F in there. I'm not going to. And then we're hit the F, and then on the third of that measure of that F, we're going to do that roll again. E flat, A, C. So, and then we're going to go down to this B flat, and when we do that, we're going to do a B flat kind of chordal thing. We're going to go like that. Okay, so what that is we're going to take this B flat, D, F, and B flat. So it's going to be like we're going to go here, then we're going to go down to this B flat, D, and F, and then we're going to come down here to this B flat, F, B flat, and D. So it's like you're going, see how we're doing that? But instead, we're going to hit the outer 2 notes, and then we're going to make a da-da. Same way with this. So the outer 2 notes here is D and B flat, and then we're going to hit that F, and then we're going to do B flat and F, and then hit the D note, and then we're going to do F and D, and then hit the B flat note. Yeah, so we're going to, so while you're holding that B flat down there, and then we're going to hit an E flat chord in the right hand when we hit this F. So it's an E flat over an F, kind of just gives it a nice, they call those 4/5s for all you number people out there. And if you don't know what that is, that's perfectly fine. You can just follow along. But this E flat, I'm going to play as G, B flat, E flat with an F down there. All right. So that is the whole intro. And then you're into rhythm. And the rhythm on that is just simple, like bass line down here, 1, 2, 3. And up here, you just hit a B flat, 1, 2, 3. You know, it just attaches to those songs. So here's the whole thing, nice and slow. And it'd be, there is coming a day, or without him I would do nothing. Or you could go the lower octave and sing, without him I could do nothing. Same way with, there is coming a day. So this gives you some options in 3/4 time to be able to play in B flat and kind of those slower or medium tempo songs. So here it is up to speed. Work on this, and we will see you at the next lesson.